Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss an important topic, electric power. Okay, electric power is electric work per unit time. Electric power is electric work per unit time. Since we measure work in joule and time in second, so its unit will be joule per second. Its unit will be joule per second or watt. In SI, its unit will be watt. So 1 joule work per second means 1 watt power. 1 joule per second means 1 watt power. Okay. For commercial purpose, we use its bigger unit, kilowatt. Its bigger unit will be kilowatt, where 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. Now, in another words, electric power is electrical energy consumed per second. It's another definition. Electric power is electrical energy consumed per second. So we can define watt in another terms. When an electric appliance consumes 1 joule electrical energy per second, when any electrical appliance consumes 1 joule energy per second, that means its power will be 1 watt. That means it is said to be its power will be 1 watt. Okay. So again, if under potential difference V, I current is flowing in a circuit up to T time. Under potential difference V, I current is flowing up to T time in a circuit, then work done, electrical work done will be VIT. So replace W by VIT. So VIT upon T, TT cancel out each other, P is equal to VI. We will get another relation, P is equal to VI. So it is clear that electrical power depends on potential difference and electric current. Okay. Now, some other formulas. By using Ohm's law, we get another important formulas which are very important for numerical purpose. Now, P is equal to, if I replace V by IR, Ohm's law, you know that, I replace V by IR, then we have P is equal to I square R. Okay, if I replace I by V upon R, again by using Ohm's law, then P is equal to V square upon R, another important formula. So we have number of formulas which are very important for numerical purposes. Now, here is the question, what will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of 40 watt when it is connected to a source of 220 volt? So, what we have, electric bulb of 40 watt, power will be 40 watt, source of 220 volt, voltage is 220 volt. Now, what we have to find? What will be the current? I is equal to question mark. Then what is the relation between PVI? P is equal to VI. We use the relation P is equal to VI. We get I is equal to P upon V. Put the value 40 upon 220, and after solving you will get 0.18. Since we are finding current, that means ampere. Current will be 0.18 ampere. Okay, solve it in your notebook. Now, again, important topic, electrical energy, very related topic which is very related to the electric power. Now, using this formula, P is equal to E upon T, P is equal to E upon T, E is equal to PT. So, we can define electrical energy by this formula. Electrical energy of any electrical appliance. Okay, electrical energy consumption by any electrical appliance is equal to the product of its power rating and time up to which it is used. Okay, so if we measure electric power in watt and time in hour, then its unit will be watt hour. Watt hour. So we can define watt hour as 1 watt hour is the electrical energy consumption when an electric appliance having 1 watt power is used up to 1 hour. Okay, 1 watt hour is the electrical energy consumption when any electrical appliance having 1 watt power is used up to 1 hour. Okay, its another unit will be joule, but for commercial purpose we use its bigger unit, kilowatt hour. Okay, for commercial purpose we use its bigger unit, kilowatt hour. Now we have to relate 1 kilowatt hour into joule. Okay, when we convert 1 kilowatt hour into joule, so this is the process. 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. There are two terms in this. 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt and 1 hour means 60 minutes 60 seconds. Convert 1 hour into second, 60 into 60 second. Then after multiplying we get this 3600000 joule. That means 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay, so 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay, this is very important for exam prospect. Okay, so the topic is done. See you soon in the next video. Okay, thank you.